Hey guys, I am in Vermont, and there is a ceiling fan in the hotel room that we are staying at, or in the master bedroom. And I don't know, I've seen this before, but I can't recall what the brand is. I don't know if it's I do not know if it's a Kichler or if it's uh, or if it's a Regency or something, or whatever, I don't know. Looks like a Regency, but whatever. You guys can tell me in the comments below. Anyway, so I figured I'd give it a demonstration. It's an oil over bronze with oak blades. It's got no lights. Here's the other side of the blades. I think it's the same color on both ends. I think one's lighter than the other, maybe. I don't know. But we'll go ahead and start it up here. We'll start it up on low. It is a bit loose. It's not, I don't think it's screwed in properly. It's pretty quiet for the most part. On low speed, it does a pretty good job. It does hum a slight bit, but you can only hear it if you're really trying to listen for it. Medium speed. The blades are a bit out of whack, as you guys could probably tell. It wobbles a bit. I don't know if I should turn it on high, because it's wobbling on medium. Actually doesn't wobble too badly. Barely wobbles. Only I think it wobbles the worst on medium. Blows a really good amount of air. Yeah, yet again, if you guys could tell me what the brand of this fan is, let me know. And we'll turn it off. Oh, it's slowing down relatively quickly here, so I guess I might as well just show the spin down. And it is reversible. It is electrically reversible, but I'm not going to show it because it's basically the same thing, just going in the other direction. Pretty cool fan, though. I definitely like it. I like the design of the blade brackets. Yet again, I think it's a Regency, but I don't know. If you guys could let me know in the comments, that would be great. Looks like some sort of outdoor rated fan, maybe. But I'm not too sure about that. Don't quote me on that. And it's pretty quiet too. It doesn't really like make any noise or anything. And that is it. That is this 52-inch, possibly Regency ceiling fan. I don't know what year this fan is from. I don't know if there's any tags on the top here. Let me see. Let me see if there's anything to look at. There's quite a few stickers up there, but I can't read it at the moment.
just says caution. Model number, I think that's the model number. I see that. See, let's look on this side. Anything up there? It just says ceiling fan. Doesn't say what brand it is. It's hard to see though, because there's not too much good lighting in here actually. I'll turn on this lamp. Yeah, I don't see any brand name up there. There's another tag right there. I think it's a Regency. There's a reversing switch. Pretty good fan though. Anyways, that is about it for this fan. I just wanted to make a video of it. Because, you know, it's the only fan in the house, or the only fan in the apartment for some reason, because this apartment's pretty big, but it's the only fan in the apartment. So, anyways, see you guys next time.